Hey guys, it's Diane Mary, and I wanted to do a haul with the Ulta 20% off Prestige and the Sephora VIB Rouge 20% off sale. Went a little crazy with Sephora, as you'll see. Didn't do too terrible in my opinion in Ulta, and with Sephora I had gift cards to use too, so that definitely helped. But I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to go with Ulta first because that is significantly smaller than my Sephora sale, because I just did a haul using points a couple weeks ago, and then of course they sent the coupon right after. That's just how my life works. But there were things that were good value and that I needed. So the first thing I picked up was the IT Cosmetics Feel the Moment Primer. This is a skin rejuvenating hydrating primer serum, and I got this because I love the brand's Bye Bye Pores primer, because my skin is combination, shine prone, breakout prone, but for whatever reason lately, probably the weather, my skin has just been way more like dry and a little flaky. So I wanted a primer that's more moisturizing. This is it. I was going back and forth between this and the brand's number 50 primer, which is also amazing, and this one's $10 cheaper than the number 50 and plus the 20% off. That was my deciding factor. Smells so good. Smells like oranges. I'm obsessed with the smell. I love that it comes with a pump, or if you don't want to use a pump, there's a dropper instead that you could use. And like all IT Cosmetics, full of skincare. There's caviar extract, deep ocean water, collagen, treatment oils, hyaluronic acid, niacin, and peptides. And I've used this in the past as well, and this primer doesn't cause any breakouts or anything. Then the other thing I got from Ulta, they had a deal where if you bought any full-size CC cream, you could get this bestseller kit for $1 more and then 20% off. So it's basically less than the price of a CC cream. You get more stuff. So the CC cream I did get is shade Fair Light. I go back and forth between the matte CC cream and the original CC cream depending on how dry or oily my skin is that day, and so happy they have shade Fair Light. I did pick one up a few weeks ago, but I've been using it almost every day, so I said let me get a backup. Plus this kit is really cute. I guess what you're supposed to do is take the CC cream and you just drop it in there, and really cute. But what else is in this kit? There is a travel size of the Superhero Mascara, travel size of the Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. There's 2 samples and a brush. And actually, let me open this up to show you. Actually, I got this kit a few weeks ago too, if I'm being honest. I just said, you know what, for the price and the discount, I use these products. It's some of my very favorite. Let me just get another one. So, open it up. Get cosmetics tissue paper, pretty sticker. Shake it all out. Travel size Superhero, Brow Power, samples of the Confidence in a Cleanser and Cream, and then the cutest little makeup brush in the whole entire wide world. Let me take this apart if I could. There we go. Sorry guys, I should have done this before, but alright, you get the idea. It's so adorable. Travel size, cute factor. And the last thing I got from Ulta, one more IT Cosmetics product actually, the Je ne sais quoi confetti popper. This is the Je ne sais quoi hydrating color waking lip treatment, which is a treatment lipstick. You can wear it at night. It has a slight tint. It's not as pigmented as other lip products with the Je ne sais quoi pink shade, which goes with your pH and turns into the most beautiful shade of pink. But they had in these confetti poppers. The lipstick alone sells for $24. In this fancy little Christmas thing, it's $12 and 20% off. So it really was worth it since it's full size. I'm not going to open this because I promised my best friend I'd let her pop it and play with the confetti, and she was happy about that. So cute though. This makes a really cute like Christmas gift. Even putting it on top of like an already wrapped gift. Cute idea. So we're going to go backwards with Sephora because I did a huge order online. Then I went to the mall with my best friend, did more stuff, and then I was in Manhattan and near a Sephora, and the sale was still going on Monday, and I did another little order. Let's just start with that because it's easy. Actually, one of the things I got I realized I needed and I forgot. And this was another IT Cosmetics products actually, Bye Bye Makeup. This is a Sephora exclusive, otherwise I would have bought it at Ulta, truth be told. Ulta's reward program is just so much better in my opinion that if both stores have a product, I'd buy an Ulta over Sephora. Excellent makeup remover, skin softening, anti-aging ingredients, doesn't burn my eyes, takes all my makeup off, and I needed more, so that's a restock. I bought actually 2 Urban Decay lipsticks too, and I realized I left them in my other bedroom, so check Instagram. They were really pretty colors too. The other thing I did pick up on this like little whim of a shopping spree is the Kat Von D Meadow Crush Liquid Highlighter in the shade, what is this, Rose Roseshock. And I'm not a big highlighter person at all, but this I'm actually using on my eyes and lips. I mean, I don't have it on right now, but that's what I plan on doing. It's this beautiful light pink shimmery shade. Let me just see if we can twist it up for you guys. New clickers, you have to like just twist it a million times. So don't think, there we go. It's coming out. I'll put a little bit over. I have on a sais quoi, cosmetics product, but it has more pink. It has a little shimmer. Really nice. And I've been eyeing this since I think the sale last year, and I said, you know what, it's time to get it. So I did. So now moving on, we have a bigger bag, and this is from when I went to the mall with my best friend. And actually, I shouldn't even say that there's a lot of stuff in here. I bought 2 things. No, 2.5 things. I don't know how you want to count it. So the first thing was there was a set of 2, the Ciate London, these glitter flip lip colors, and my best friend loved the other one in the kit, and I really liked this light pink shade called Candy, so we just split the kit. Like, why not? Like, best friend lipsticks. Haven't even tried it yet. Really pretty. I'm not very familiar with this brand, liquid lipstick, and I think what this does is it goes on a color, and then like when you press your lips together, I think glitter comes about. So right now there's really not that much glitter to it, but let me see. If you rub it, what happens? Okay, now there's a little glitter if it's picking it up. I don't know. It was near the checkout, and you know when you're online in Sephora and those checkouts always get you. At least they always get me. That's what happened. The other thing I bought because I sniffed it and it smelled really good. I'm gonna be honest right there. So this is the Laneige, I hope I'm saying it right, Dream and Glow Lip Sleeping Mask. I've seen this all over Instagram and tons of magazines. Everyone's talking about it. I was like, you know what? I use lip masks. I'm always looking for stuff to hydrate my lips. What got me to buy it is when I went in the store and I smelled it, as I said. So you open this up. This is benefit. It's nourishing and plumping with a berry mix complex and moisture wrap. It's a big jar too. Comes with a cute little spatula to apply it. But when you open it, and then you solid like that, it smells like a berry smoothie. Like, I want to drink it. It smells so good. And like I said, anything to help with the lips. I have fine lines in my lips because I've drinking out of straws my whole entire life. So yeah, we'll see how that works. If you want a review, let me know, and then I can review it. And then I got this kit that I didn't see when I placed my online order. So this is by the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. What is it, like Sol Janeiro or something it's called? I don't know. I never knew how amazing this stuff smelled. And then I found a random sample in my sample, like I have a sample drawer, that I'm like, where did I even get this? Opened up the sample, tried it, my god, it smelled amazing, and it was a bad time to try it with the, I mean, good and bad, because you got 20% off the kids, the good value, but it's just stuff I wouldn't have bought if I didn't realize how amazing it smelled. Boxes like that, open it up. And what this smells like, they describe the scent as caramel and pistachio, and I smell the caramel. It's definitely gourmand, but it's not a straight up super sweet gourmand scent. This is really cute though, because you get the full size cream over here, which I have to use more to really review it. Got a hand cream, a spray, and a little shower wash, so I could just smell like that all the time. The smell, it's just so addicting. Like, if you live near a Sephora and you've never smelled this stuff, just go smell it. Like, go take the tester of the body mist and smell it. But this was $59 and then 20% off, so it was the time to buy for sure, because I think they said that the cream, that full size cream alone, goes for $45. Next, let's get what I got offline. So I got another huge package, and like I said, I saw that Bum set in store. Didn't see it on my online order. What I did see on my online order was this little kit that was $38 before 20% off. Has another mist, 2 more of the creams, and a lip balm. So, I mean, it's stuff I'm going to use. I use creams all the time. All that stuff. These are tiny ones, so I could keep one in my bag if I wanted. Cute little spray that I'm spraying right now. I wish you, oh my god, I wish you guys could smell it. It smells like dessert. It's a really addicting scent. It's delicious. Alright, so picked up this kit too. Hopefully that'll last me quite a while. They had another really big jar of just a cream that was like $75, but I haven't used the cream enough to also get the big jar. I'm probably going to regret that, but whatever. So moving on, with this sale I tried to get stuff I knew I would need. I didn't buy all that much makeup. I got one makeup kit in here, but I got 3 more Olaplex number 3s. If you read my blog, if you watch my YouTube, if you follow me on Instagram, and I guess if you watch this, you might watch my YouTube. Thank you guys. But I am obsessed with the Olaplex number 3 treatment. I use it once a week without fail. So just got 3 more to stay in stock. If you want more information on this, I did do a full video. I will post that below so you could just get more info. Also, this is the one makeup thing I got. This was the Wander Beauty Morning Makeover Kit. And I got this because I wanted the lip color. There's a lip setter in here, which is Wander's exclusive. You have a lip liner on one side, and you have a lip color on the other. And this shade for this kit is No Lita Nude. It was hard to tell online what the colors were. I was hoping it'd be a little more pink. It does look like it is a little more like corally peachy as opposed to straight up pink, but we'll see how it looks on. Love this formula though, easy to use, pigmented, the skincare in it to help the lists, and the other 2 lips, not lists, that came in here, which made this kit really worth it, was one of my favorite mascaras, the Unlashed mascara, which I did need a new tube of. And then the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, which I just talk about and obsess about 24/7 because they're like my favorite thing on earth for my under eye circles. If you've watched me on my recent Wanda videos, favorites, everything, then you probably know that already. Cute kit though. Got that. Oh, this was because I hit VIB Rouge for 2019. I don't know how I did that, but you know what? I share the account with my mom and my aunt, so it's a cute little clutch over here. Got this serum that I'm very curious about. I was reading a lot about this. It's by a brand called Private Doctor. It's a Define Minus Serum. And this is supposed to be like a skincare serum that helps contour and sculpt your face. And I'm always looking for my face to look a little like more contoured and skinnier. No double chin, no chubby cheeks, but which is genetic for me. So it just says that it's ID Sculpt Technology, a blend of micro tingling spicules and a patented sodium deoxychate complex. Did not say that correctly, but basically it's an anti-aging serum targeting sagging skin, wrinkles, and areas that lack elasticity, including the neck and décolleté. So really pretty bottle too. Let me open this. I just totally ripped the cover off, but how beautiful is this bottle? Like, I didn't buy it just for the bottle. That's a bonus. But I'm going to go through the serum I have, and then I'm going to start this. So in a few months, I will review it. Skincare, you need to give it time before you see if it works. Samples. They sent me a sample of Briogeo Don't Despair Repair, which is my favorite, one of my favorite brands hair products, favorite mask. And the reason, if you're just curious why I don't get Briogeo from Sephora, is because with my referral points, I'm able to get 25% off this site, which is more saved and a sweet deal. And it's perfume sample, Black Opium YSL. Then I got one other thing I've been using and going through, and this is the IGK No More Blow High Speed Air Dry Spray. It's supposed to air dry hair up to 46% faster. I have a can of this already. Now this is not something I would use all the time. There are some drying alcohols in here, and I feel if we use it too much it might dry your hair out, but I prefer to air dry my hair. It looks better that way. It just takes years and years to air dry. So I got this, like if I'm really in a rush and want it to dry, I will spray my roots with it. And it actually does help cut down the air drying time. With as often as I use it, even with the drying alcohols, it's still kind of worth it for Once in a Blue. Has UV protection in it, vegan, cruelty, and gluten-free as well. Nice stuff. And I still have my first can, but you know, when it's 20% off, that's the time to get another one. Now, I've been eyeing Drunk Elephant Skincare for a while, and I've been curious about their products. So I got this kit, which the packaging I'm like living for is so cute. But this has a full size of the TLC Framboos, the AHI BHI gel that's like cult classic favorite. I went to Sephora to get samples before I bought this to make sure that I liked it, use it just that night, and I swear I used it like 2 nights and my skin looked more even. Comes with their jelly cleanser, a Behydra antioxidant serum, a face cream, and an eye cream. So how do I open this? I didn't even open this yet. Oh, there we go. All like that. And what's cool is that this is actually the full size of this product, and that alone goes for $98. No, $90. The whole kit was $98 plus 20% off. So really cute. Really love the packaging. And then just to make sure I'm in stock for the whole entire year, I picked up 3 of these little nightbright duos that has more of that TLC serum, and as well as the brand's Virgin Marula face oil. That's supposed to be really good. They're so cute, but I did the math, and by getting 3 of these, it was cheaper than if I would have just bought another one of the TLC full size alone. Plus I have the marula oil as well. The website did limit you to 3 though. I couldn't buy any more than 3 of these at a time. But yeah, so that's it. Spent more than I was planning, but like I said, gift cards, 20% off. Most wonderful time of the year. So I don't think I'm going back for more because I know that it's going to be next weekend too. I think I'm pretty content now. But yeah, have you tried this stuff? Let me know. Especially if you've used Drunk Elephant, I'd love to hear your feedback. I know that they don't have 6 ingredients that could actually cause skin to react. What is it that they are? See if it says what Suspicious 6 it's called. Here we go. Listed on the enclosed cards. Wait, what is this? Oh, wait, that's an actual magnifying glass? Hold on. Oh, no way. I thought that was just fancy packaging. This actually comes with a real magnifying glass. This little Drunk Elephant kit. Oh, that's so fun. They want you to identify bad ingredients in your other skincare. I'm so amused right now. Drunk Elephant, I love you. That's fun. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna stop now. Hope you guys liked my haul. If you do like me and my channel, thumbs up, comment, subscribe. It would be so awesome and mean a lot to me. And I'll see you next video. Bye.